Oh shit! All right, dude. It actually. Oh,
no, we're good.
Oh,
we're good.
Oh shit! I thought it actually got stuck.
I need to move this seat back.
Yeah, just a little bit.
It's too tight.
All right. So.
We'll have to do that later. Probably just cut that bar behind the seat.
Oh, well, yeah. Here, I'll get it. Little picture.
Cut
This
that
part
down,
right here.
Move the seat back. Won't be too hard. Not a whole lot of room.
No.
Maybe a removable steering wheel.
It's like, seriously, you're like really hitting this shit.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, it's a steering wheel.
Yep.
I shouldn't.
Not okay.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna cut out the back.
Yeah, so we just put this here so we can not get sparks flying up here and onto the wiring harness and shit. You know.
And then we're gonna cut all this out here.
Yeah, so.
Frame rail to frame rail. Probably have to cut this wherever this curves in. And then cut it all the way to this frame rail back here.
All right.
So
why do you need to do that now?
why is so we can get rid of all this, and then we can put on like a removable aluminum sheet. So that way, if we ever have to get to that stuff right there, it's already out of the way. And then so, yeah, just make it all perfect.
Make it all perfect. Guy's Terminator jacket on, and his farming gloves, and he's about to go cut some metal.
These are welding gloves.
I know.
All right, let's do it.
I don't swing that way. Sorry.
Well,
All right. Now, do you have markings down there or where to cut?
not really.
All right. Well, just start going at it, and if you do too much, I'll just let you know when. To be like, hey, stop. Just getting that nice and straight. That way, this whole thing can come out, and then a flat sheet goes on top.
Something like that.
I think. I don't know. I'm just spitting out bullshit.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about?
I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Now, if only you could just punch it out.
Not quite. We're gonna try to cut a little closer to this edge here, because I want to follow this frame rail, so that way there's no lip, and remove this, because this back here is like a parachute. If I just covered this flat, all the air would hit this and catch.
Oh. Yeah. Down there would not be good.
And then these aren't good to have, and I want to cut back all the way to that frame rail.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that's
And that's all for that flat sheet. So it'll work. That's all for the battery, right?
Battery and water to air.
Oh, okay. I forgot about
Tank.
that.
Yep.
Fuck yeah, man. All right.
It just cuts it pretty nice.
Yeah. That thing is pretty cool though. All this got cut out, and you can actually see the pumpkin right there, and all the bullshit, man.
Yep.
Look at all that.
We gotta weld
That brake
some in
light
here.
sucks.
Hold the coilovers. We'll get it all figured out later. We just gotta cut these braces out and finish cutting these flush. And all the way back. This one's almost done.
It's gonna be just one gigantic sheet of metal.
Yep.
It's gonna look good.